You made a portal under 10 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I shall be showing you how to make portals in Roblox Studio. First up, you're going to open up your world, then open up your world and spawn in 2 blocks. Have one block the color blue and the other block the color red. After that, name one part, the blue part, rename it to Portal 1, Red, Portal 2. Add sparkles. There you go. Now, name them both Portal 1 and Portal 2. You want to, with Portal 1, add a script. And I'll be back with you once I've written down the script. Here we go, we've written the script. So, local teleport equals Portal 2. So, Portal 1, this one will teleport to Portal 2. Function when it's touched. And it's basically all you have to worry about. Now you want to copy the script, go to Portal 2, add a script, paste it in, and change Portal 2 to Portal 1. Now we go back to flat terrain, play, hope I spawn out the blocks. Where's those blocks? I must have spawned far away from them. So I put this block on the other side, this here. Put the spawn near the red one. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Remember to anchor them to the ground, or else they will fall on and your game will glitch out. So here we go. This is this block. The other one is over far away. There we go. You see, it now works. You made a portal under 10 minutes. And if you want, you make your portals. And hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like on this video and subscribe down below. So, and yeah, peace out.